This is Milo. Today is a big day. Milo is moving to a new town.
So many new friends. But how do I say hi?
Let's learn the magic words. Say it with me. Say it with me.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Bella. What is your name? My name is Milo. Yay! Hello, Milo.
Your turn. Say, my name is... Great job! Hello, Bella.
Hello, Toby. This is Milo.
This is Milo.
Hello. My name is Milo. What is your name? My name is Toby.
Nice to meet you, Milo.
Nice to meet you too. Hello, Ollie. Why is he sad? Ollie never says hello. He has no friends. Everyone needs a friend. Watch me. Hello, Ollie. My name is Milo. What is your name?
My name is Ollie.
Nice to meet you, Ollie.
Hello, friends.
Hello, Ollie.
Hello, hello. My name is. What is your name? Nice to meet you.
Goodbye. See you next time.